This trend starts while the time of Corona, when we cannot go outside in market, when we do not have the option to go directly contact with other merchandise or the shopkeepers. So at that time, we have started to use the online business, and that is basically focusing on the day-to-day life things. We have started from our fruits, our vegetables, our milks, and everything we need day-to-day. We use those products to get from online. So most of our online day-to-day products are based on these special categories like chaldal.com, like Agora, like Shopno. All those superstores have their online options available, and they basically deliver the day-to-day related products.
Okay. Why do you think online shopping has become so popular nowadays?
Basically, Corona is one major factor which makes us really habited to use this special platform. Another one is the time consumed in the traffic. So when you want to go outside, the superstores basically are not that much available in all those surroundings. So you need to travel a bit longer, and which will make so much time and cost also. So better to browse your website and deliver and ask for delivery. They will come to your home directly, and with a minimum amount of payment, you can get the product directly at home.
Okay. What are some possible disadvantages of buying things from online shops?
That is basically if you are really concerned about the product's warranty, guarantee, or product quality. There may be some disadvantage of using that websites with some dishonest merchandisers who give you really bad products. The products may be, if that is vegetable, that may be rotten. If that is milk or something which is out of manufacturing date, so those products can be delivered to you. Whatever you need to do whenever you are receiving any product, you need to check thoroughly in front of the delivery guy. So if you have any issue, you can raise the issue at prompt.